Most people really don't like the thought of buying life insurance, and most only consider it when a life event makes them evaluate their own mortality. The death of a loved one, seeing a bad accident, dreaming about a catastrophic event, or seeing another massive event on the evening news. Even then, most people find the thought of buying a policy too painful and too hard to actually take that first step and pick up the phone to talk to a broker. We know that thinking about your own mortality is hard, whether you're considering buying life insurance or not. It's a difficult and painful subject to think about, and we know the questions you'll be asked on the application make it no easier. But this is your family. This is about your children and your loved ones. You don't buy life insurance for you, you buy it for them. It's for those that you leave behind, especially when something happens to you before anyone expected and you're suddenly gone. Think about it. If something happens to you tomorrow, would your family be ready to do all the things you promised to do for them? You won't be present to walk your daughter down the aisle. You won't see your kids go off to college, and you won't experience the birth of your first grandchild. If the worst of the worst happens to you, life insurance is the one way you ensure that those events still happen without placing a burden on those you left behind. It's a guarantee to your loved ones that you made sure they were taken care of by making that simple decision to solidify an end-of-life plan, even if you can't be there in person. The fact is, 82% of Americans who should have life insurance are either uninsured or underinsured. People tend to buy life insurance based on cost or simplicity, not on actual need. Many add life insurance when they buy their auto insurance simply to get a bigger discount. They do this without considering the weight of buying that policy or what it actually does for them. Life insurance should be the most important purchase you ever make, not a second thought to some other purchase. So, how do you make sure you get the right amount of life insurance at the most affordable cost? Easy. You use a broker to help you navigate the right policy and the right solution for you and your family. Most brokers don't charge for their services, and having that expertise as close as a phone call or text message can guarantee that your family is protected long after you're gone. Life is for the living, and life insurance helps you keep those promises.